Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about DIY facial masks for all skin type in this summer. My name is Tisia and you're welcome to BIO with Thysiamore. You guys remember the last video we talked about 5 effective facials, and facial masks was one of the facial recipes we talked about. So today we're going to be going into details of different facial masks you can use at home for a glowing, wonderful skin, and these are all DIY recipes. So if that sounds like something that you want to hear, well, definitely keep on watching this video. The first mask we'll be talking about is honey and egg mask. Honey and egg mask is a very great mask for combination skin type. It is great for a glowing skin. All you need is 1 egg and about 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it up, apply to your face before bedtime at night, and leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. After all, it helps for a glowing and bright skin. Also, it helps soften the skin and just gives you this overall shine that your skin needs. You can also mix it up as an exfoliant and you're going to see great results. The second mask on our list today is apple mask. Apple mask increases skin metabolism that hence revitalizes your skin cells. For this mask, you need 2 tablespoons of honey, you need about half apple, about 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 5 grams of flour. You can totally skip the gram flour and the olive oil part and just go ahead and crush the apple with some honey and egg. Apply this mask twice every week and you're going to see great results of skin rejuvenation. The third mask on our list is banana yogurt and honey mask. Well, this, my friend, is the ultimate pore tightener. It also helps peel off dead skin cells and brightens the skin almost immediately. Mash up half banana, mix it with a tablespoon of honey and a small cup of yogurt. You can use milk in place of yogurt. Apply the mixture onto your face for 5 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. The fourth mask on our list today is grape mask. Grape is a strong antioxidant which helps reduce fine lines and at the same time replenishes the hydration and moisture of the skin. Pour in some grapes into a juicer and extract the juice. You can mix this with flour or just apply it directly to your face. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off with water. The fifth mask on our list is papaya mask. Papaya can deep clean the dirt in the pores. It also contains vitamin B which can rejuvenate tired skin. Crush 1 small papaya into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 teaspoons of honey. Apply to a freshly washed face and leave for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. This can help to instantly brighten your skin. The last mask on our list today is tomato and lemon mask. Both tomato and lemon are rich in vitamin C and they can instantly help brighten and glow the skin after use. This mask can also be used by kids. Just remove the lemon and add some flour to the tomato. Mash some tomatoes into a bowl, add some lemon juice, mix it up very well and add to a freshly washed face. Leave for about 30 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. The result is visible indeed. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to leave me a like and comment in the comment section for a video you'd like to see in the future. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss it whenever I post a new video. Well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My name is Thysiamore and I'm the creative director of Thysiamore Empire.